Are you done?
Yeah.
Mash the bananas.
Ow. 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 Ow.
You done? Yeah, Bella.
First, that cheese.
Is that fun?
Cheese.
Oh, all the way. You gotta squeeze him all the way. You need help?
Try this.
Did you eat it?
Kind of sweet.
Yeah? Tell me what you're doing.
Making carbonara.
Okay, cover like this, yeah?
Sweet. It's sweet actually.
Okay.
Carbonara are supposed to be sweet.
Yeah.
We're supposed to make this sweet. Raw. Cheese.
Cheese.
Up, 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 up.
Show people your hands. Show people your hands. How does the dough feel? How is it? Is it ready? You think it's ready?
Not yet.
Okay. Let's go.
Chip it